Best greetings from Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. My name is Viktor Fursov. I'm a research entomologist, biologist, and this is my channel about insects, about hornets, about wasps, about different parasitic wasps, about beetles, different insects which are inhabit in Ukraine and other countries, and also about English, about traveling and different other subjects about life in Kyiv and in Ukraine. But today this is a story about Kievan and Ukrainian zoo market. Yes, zoo market. Yesterday I visited zoo market in Kyiv, capital of Ukraine. That's why after this my short introduction you can see some short stories about fish and about birds. I didn't catch on my video some other small pets, but this is a zoo market with different pets like me. I bought, for instance, this is aquarium on a zoo market. In Kiev, the name of this zoo market is Ptichka, which means birds market, or just Kurinovka. Kurinovka, this strange sounds. It sounds like a hare, yeah, or just a female bird, hare, yeah, which is just laying eggs. But this is my pets. These are my pets, my insects. Here I keep my hornets, and I'm talking about them on my channel. So you see here different queens. Some of my other insects just on this poster. These are parasitic wasps of the superfamily Calcidoideae. But here my hornets just for fun. This is for my research. If you are interested, you can check my name in Academia Edu or in ResearchGate with my publications. But what's about market? Yes, well, to Kurinovka Zoo Market you can easily travel from a metro station, taking just a mini bus or trolley bus. This you need to come to metro station Pochina or former Petrivka. Yeah, sorry, but I need to give you just this funny Ukrainian name, Pochina or Petrivka, and then pick minibus 525 or trolleybus 25. Come to zoo market. Zoo market, it takes about 20 minutes, and the zoo market is pretty large, but you need to ask people where is the zoo market, because no signs, anything you cannot recognize. Only sometimes you can see people are just moving, sometimes with something like a food or something in hands. People always keeping something in hands in Ukraine after the market, so they're busy and their hands are busy. But if you come in just after this bus stop deeply inside the street, this is near the street Vyshgorodska, and actually there is also a small museum built into Taras Shevchenko in this place, and Ukrainian special house for study of youth, also located there on street Vyshgorodska. And Vyshgorodska train station also there, but I'm not sure if a train is stopping over there. People don't use it too much. Well, and in this market there is a market for everything, just what you need for reparation of your house. So this is with different things. There's a huge market, but deeply inside this market, just somewhere in the middle, there is a zoo market with different, you see, rabbits, rats, different hares, with different birds, parrots, and also, of course, with a lot of different fish, different aquarium fish. I bought this aquarium for my presentations, so because this is transparent glass and it will be easy to show you different stories about my pets, my insects. But if you come inside, so you can, in this market you can buy fish, you can buy a kind of animal, so you can buy dog, you can buy a rabbit, no, hare to be precise, not a rabbit but domestic hare, rats, parrots, some kind of birds, but mostly in the springtime for farming, and of course the dogs and cats, small, big one, different size, different races, different variations of dogs and cats, and you can see just adults and with the piglets, маленькие, small, not the piglets, but small puppet, like a small puppets of the children. Well, piglet, because piglets, this is a small pig. Pig probably can buy there, but in the springtime, when people are putting all these pets and all these animals for growing in their farms. So that's why chicken, usually a lot of different chicken in the springtime, somewhere in May, in June, but now it's autumn, so probably you come in the morning time will be just a little bit. But nevertheless, aquariums with different fish, just a lot of them, and this is a huge market, so you can enjoy different variations of fish, animals, pets, turtles, lizards as well, yes, lizards, frogs, yes, well, frogs, different reptilia and amphibia. Well, I'm not sure how can you find something unusual from tropical regions, but mostly here this is a legal market, so you will not find something unique like chameleons, because some people selling it actually illegally, but I don't know about it. But this is a legal market, so you can buy very nice pets and very nice small tiny fish for very reasonable prices. And I'm very pleased to show them just on my video, just after this my short introduction, because I'm sure that many or maybe most of the people who are living in Kiev, capital of Ukraine, but speaking English, have never been in this zoo market. If you've been in this zoo market, if you keep some kind of your animal at home, and maybe you are living a long time in Kiev as expat, write your comments under this video. I will be very pleased to know your opinion about Ukrainian zoo market, about Ukrainian animals, about Ukrainian museums like our National History Museum with a lot of beautiful animals, but this is museum with exposition, but zoo market with the real living animals and birds, lizards, turtles, fish, sometimes with insects, insects like a food, or insects or some annelida and some different other arthropods, like for pets as well. I don't know sell them as pets, but they're just living in for my presentations. So thank you for your interest. Write comments under this video if you are expat and living in Kiev. I will be very much interested to discuss with you anything about Kiev, Ukraine, and pets and animals and zoos. Thank you very much. Good luck. See you soon on my channel. Don't forget press like, write your comments, press on bell, and write your opinion about Kiev, Ukraine, and zoo markets. Bye bye. See you soon. I'll ask you questions about your zoo market, how it's managed in your city. And after this introduction, see short, small stories about fish and about parrots, about birds. Not too many, a little bit with a Russian discussion between me and some managers, some salesmen, sometimes polite, sometimes not polite, and short explanation who is who and how, what's about the price of different fish in my video. Thank you, good luck, see you soon.
А из какой же страны они, вот эти попугаи, где они живут?
А?
Где они живут, природе?
Американская цыплина.
Американцы?
Это тригибрид, его вывели.
Ага. Цикли, да?
Вот Малавия.
Только какие что-то скорее на диску цихлили, что ли? Ты хитрому вывел. Или там 3 разных цихлили?
Давайте почитайте, так будет проще. Это лабиатум скрещен с лабиатумом, выбирали их, Чтоб горбатые были.
Ага.
А Валера хорошо что сказал, кстати.
Был бы проезд. Серый, ну смотри, водичку. Я посмотрю.
А почему вот цихлиды вот эти, те же голубые?
79.
А гурами вот маленький?
По 10.
А вот такой вот черненький большой.
Остановлен.
А почем он?
89.
Хорош.
В понедельник же были народы нашли, что я уже конкретно, блин, продал, руку тебе поломала. Какой-то бублин молекуле синяков нам наставил, так, я танцевал. Ну, я говорю, так, говорит, Коля, ты за руль сядешь? Я говорю, ты что, долбанутая? Блин, я говорю, я еле живу, я на машине. Я говорю, вот я это самое, Николас, куда пошел? Я. Давай, давай, здорово.
Серый. Да ладно. Ай, мой красавец. Прямо прыщик. Так, да, вот я там...
Да, если как-то у вас не волнуйтесь, это приживется. Вы можете хоть даже по одной веточке рассадить, но лучше кушать, чтобы свой был микроклимат. Но это не будет. Это хорошее растение. Все, ты доволен?
А что это у вас за сом такой, как глубоководный, с такими,
Ага.
с такими
Ну, да.
смешными усами?
Да.
А как же он называется?
Цитрус.
А он большой.
Они маленькие, видите?
Тут только они темненькие просто.
Ну, это альбиновская форма,
А,
вот
альбиновская.
обычная форма, да.
А еще потом, когда он уже взрослый, у него такие усики вырастают.
Самца.
Скажем так,
самца.
не усики, а рожки.
Рожки.
Самца, вот самочек нет рожек.
А.
Ну, это рожки начинают расти так на 1,5 года.
Ну вот там вот есть один уже покрепкий, и он тоже с такими, по краешку
да,
с
да,
такими
да.
усиками.
Дальше, потому что не шарахай.
Боятся, если близко подносишь руку. Не любят. Вдруг какой-то подвох. Хочет кто-то поймать. Какой зелененький.